Yo, run that shit back,
Dude, this
bitch.
shit popping out, nigga.
Run that shit back, bitch.
Yo, that was the closest game we've ever had, bro.
Bro, it's because I'm rusty, bro. Like, this is some
No,
bullshit.
nigga, you fucking suck, bro.
You lost.
You suck.
You fucking lost.
Only reason you won was because you had fucking
No, only reason I won
nigga
is
butt
because I'm
Curry,
better than you,
bro.
bitch.
You had nigga butt Curry.
Nigga, you had Luca and Kyrie and you
You had
lost.
that dick sucking nigga Curry, bro. Everybody loves to dick suck that nigga. Once you got Sharp, you literally fucking said,
You suck,
I
bitch.
got Sharp, it's fucking over. You sound like a fucking pussy.
You fucking suck, bitch. You remember him to carry all game and lost.
Don't give a fuck, nigga. Just cause you can't guard it don't mean I
Nigga, you
suck,
couldn't
nigga.
guard Curry, bitch.
That's cause Curry's a fucking semen demon when it comes to this shit. Like, fuck.
You fucking suck,
Semen
bitch.
demon.
You fucking ass.
You bite me, pussy.